Good morning. Welcome to the cafe.
Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
What would you like to drink?
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Do you want milk in your coffee?
Yes, please. Just a little milk. I'd like a glass of orange juice.
Would you like anything to eat?
I'll have a sandwich, please. Is the soup hot today? Is the soup hot today?
Yes, the soup is very hot. Yes, the soup is very hot.
How much is the cake? How much is the cake?
The cake is $3. The cake is $3.
Can I have a table for two?
Sure. Please sit here.
Excuse me, can I order now?
Of course. What would you like? Of course. What would you like?
I want a hot chocolate, please. Do you have green tea? Do you have green tea?
Yes, we have green tea.
Can I get some sugar, please? Can I get some sugar, please?
Here you go. Enjoy your drink.
This coffee is really good. This coffee is really good.
I'm happy you like it.
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Your total is $7.
Your total is $7.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards. Yes, we accept cards.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Come back soon.